Hi, tiny companions! Dive into a fun-filled and educational adventure with farm animals, safari animals, and bugs stuck in the mud. This exciting playtime experience is perfect for kids who love animals and are curious about the natural world. Watch as your little ones rescue and learn about farm animals, safari creatures, and fascinating bugs, all while having a blast in a muddy, interactive setting. Begin the journey. Decoding the language of rabbit. Rabbits have large, sensitive ears that can rotate independently to detect sounds from various directions. This helps them be aware of potential predators. There are over 60 different breeds. Exploring the world of antelopes. There are about 91 species of antelopes, ranging from the tiny royal antelope, which stands around 25 cm 10 inches at the shoulder, to the large IsLaNd, which can weigh over 900. Exploring the little creature rat. Rats are highly adaptive creatures and can thrive in a variety of environments. They are known for their ability to live in urban areas alongside humans. Rats have an excellent memory and can remember the location of objects, paths, and food sources. Unveiling the mighty rhinoceros. There are 5 extant species of rhinoceros: white rhino, black rhino, Indian rhino, Javan rhino, and Sumatran rhino. Rhinos communicate using a variety of sounds, including snorts, grunts, and bellows. They also use body language such as air. Our next guest, the mighty tiger. There are 6 living subspecies of tigers: Bengal, Indo-Chinese, Malayan, Siberian or Amur, South China and Sumatran. The Caspian tiger and Javan tiger are extinct. Tigers are found jumping for joy, a celebration of frogs. Frogs are amphibians, meaning they can live both in water and on land. They start their life as tadpoles in water and undergo metamorphosis to become adult frogs. Frogs can be found in a variety of environments. The enduring legacy of goats. Goats were one of the first animals to be domesticated by humans around 10,000 years ago in the Middle East. Goats are known for being browsers, which means they prefer to eat leaves, shrubs, and vines rather than grass. Visual journey into the scorpion's world. Scorpions belong to the class Arachnida, which also includes spiders, ticks, and mites. They are characterized by their 8 legs and 2 body segments. Scorpions are ancient creatures with a fossil record dating back more than 400 million years. Appreciating the diversity of spiders. Spiders belong to the class Arachnida, which also includes scorpions, ticks, and mites. They are not insects but are arachnids, sharing certain common features like having 8 legs. Spiders are known for producing silk. Get ready for the sheep adventure! There are over 1000 different breeds of sheep worldwide. These breeds vary in size, color, and the quality of their wool. Sheep are social animals and have a strong instinct to flock together. Contrary to popular belief, sheep have good memories. Let's dive into the world of wolves. Wolves are carnivores and primarily hunt large ungulates such as deer, elk, and moose. Wolves are highly intelligent animals. They demonstrate problem-solving skills, strategic thinking in hunting, and wolves are highly adaptable animals. Discovering the magic of dogs. From solid colors to spots, stripes, and brindles, dogs come in a remarkable variety of coat patterns and colors. Certain dog breeds like the Labrador Retriever and Newfoundland are natural swimmers due to their webbed feet. Get ready for elephant adventure! Both African and Asian elephants are listed as either vulnerable or endangered, and conservation efforts are underway to protect these magnificent creatures. Elephants inhabit a range of environments, including savannas, forests, and grasslands. The fascinating life of flamingos. The pink or reddish color of flamingos comes from carotenoid pigments in their diet, primarily from algae and crustaceans. The intensity of their color can vary depending on their diet and habitat. Our next stop is beautiful duck. There are over 120 different species of ducks, and they can be found on every continent except Antarctica. Ducks are omnivores and have a varied diet that includes aquatic plants, small fish, insects, and even small amphibians. Next stop in the animal kingdom is bear. There are 8 recognized bear species: American black bear, polar bear, brown bear, Asiatic black bear, sloth bear, sun bear, spectacled bear, and giant panda. Bears are found on 4 continents. Next animal feature is the horse. The fastest recorded speed of a horse is around 55 miles per hour, 88.5 km per hour. The thoroughbred is known for its speed and is a popular breed for horse racing. Horses have a unique dental structure. The secret lives of crocodiles. Crocodiles are found in tropical regions across Africa, the Americas, and Australia. They inhabit freshwater environments like rivers, lakes, marshes and mangrove swamps. Crocodiles are carnivorous predators. They primarily feed on fish, meet the tallest residents, giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest land animals, with males standing up to 18 feet 5.5 meters tall. To pump blood all the way up to its brain, a giraffe's head can weigh up to 25 pounds. Understanding the essence of rams. Rams are domesticated sheep that have been selectively bred for specific traits. Domestic sheep are believed to have been domesticated from wild buffaloes in the Middle East around 10,000 years ago. Male sheep are called rams, while females are ewes, and young sheep are lambs. Unveiling the crown beast, lion. Lions are found in parts of Africa, and a small population exists in the Gir Forest National Park in India. They typically inhabit grassland, savannas, and open woodlands. Lions are known for their love of sleep. Rendezvous with the Arctic reindeer. Reindeer have several physical adaptations for cold environments, such as a thick double-layered coat that provides insulation against the cold and a specialized nasal structure that warms the air before it reaches their lungs. They are native to the Arctic and subarctic regions of Europe. Appreciate your time devoted to watching farm animals, safari animals, and bugs stuck in the mud. Educational playtime for kids. Subscribe now to Farm Animals, Safari Animals, and Bugs Stuck in Mud Educational Playtime for Kids, for a playful and educational journey that will excite and engage children. Let your kids explore and learn. Stay ready for more muddy expedition. Take care, young explorers!